choosing a car that fits your need perfectly requires research, because in today's car market there's a lot of choices to make. There are many car types available today. So what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you see a car? Its shape, isn't it? Is it tall and boxy, low and sleek? How many doors does it have? How long is it? The easiest way to define a vehicle is by how it looks. So I'm going to talk on the different categories of cars. First off is the sedan. The sedans are built with a powerful engine and are popularly used as family cars. A sedan has 4 doors and a traditional trunk. It comes with a fixed roof that can seat at least 4 people. It features a 3-box design, 1 box or compartment up front for the engine, 1 for occupants, and the other compartment in the back, known as the trunk. Sedans are available in range of size from small sedan like Nissan Versa to compact sedan like Honda Civic to mid-size like Nissan Altima and full-size like Dodge Charger. We will move on to Coupe, one of the most famous passenger cars available in the market. These type of vehicles are generally 2-door that have a closed body configuration. Vehicles that are sporty have 4 seats, 2 in front and 2 at the back. The seats are smaller in size when compared to other cars. Mercedes-Benz C-Class, BMW 2 Series and Audi A5 are some of the top class coupe available in the market. So we move on to hatchback. Traditionally are known as 2-box cars with prominent lines and a boxy look, whereas the present day hatchbacks looks much smoother with few lines and a round shape. The most common hatchback is the 2-box design with the engine storage in the first box, the second box being unified with the passenger and cargo. Hatchback gives its name the hatchback due to the door. A hatchback door that flips up doesn't separate the cargo area from the passenger seat. That makes people assume that it lacks cargo space. However, hatchback offers better utilization of space. Example of well-known 2-door hatchback models are Fiat 500, Mini Cooper. The 4-door models are Mazda 3, Toyota Corolla hatchback. Okay, then the convertible. A convertible is a car that has a retractable roof. In other words, a roof that can be folded down or removed partially or entirely. Convertible have less passenger and cargo space. They are more expensive than other cars and the maintenance costs more too. Having a convertible is more like having 2 cars in one. Examples of popular convertibles are BMW Z4, Audi A5, Fiat 500, Chevrolet Corvette. So we'll move on to the SUV. SUV are one of the most popular varieties in the world. It's perfect for urban living, but with excellent off-road capabilities. SUVs brings the benefit of 4-wheel and raised ground clearance, making it easier to go through rocky roads. Examples are Hyundai Santa Fe, Hyundai Tucson, Ford Explorer, Cadillac ST5. So we'll move on to the minivans. Minivans are the workhorses of the family car world, the best at carrying people and cargo in an efficient package. They are called minivans, but they are far from mini. That's because they are tall boxes on wheels with sliding doors for easy access and a rear arch that opens to a large cargo area.
Most minivans have adjustable seats in their second and third rows that often can be removed or even folded to the floor to create a huge open cargo bay.
The Honda Odyssey and Chrysler Pacifica are great examples of the breed.
Station wagon. Station wagon are similar to sedan but have an extended roofline and air door at the rear instead of a truck. Some have elevated ground clearance and some rugged body cladding to make them look more like an SUV. Example of station wagons are Audi A6 all-road, Dodge Magnum SRT8, Chevrolet's HHRSS, Willys Jeep Wagon. Sports cars. Sports cars are the sportiest, hottest, coolest looking cars on the market. They have only two seats. Some models come with the rear seating area, but it often comes out too small and cramped to be usable. For those who like eye catching styling, have a need for speed and engaging handling, and don't care too much about practicality and fuel efficiency, this car is for you. Popular examples of sports cars are Chevrolet Corvettes, Porsche 911,
Mazda MX-5. Now we move on to the pickup truck. A pickup truck back has an open cargo bed and a passenger cab. Almost all pickup trucks come equipped with four-wheel drive, which is only available for off-road users, or all-wheel drive, with the mid-size under rig line being the only exception. Pickup bodies are simply cabs fixed to a separate steel frame, with its rear section of the roof chopped off to reveal a cargo bed. The rig line resembles a crossover more than anything else. There are currently two sizes of pickup trucks available: full size and mid size. Examples of full size are 2023 Ram 1500, 2023 Toyota Tundra. Examples of mid size pickup truck are 2022 Chevrolet Colorado and 2022 GMC Canyon. Lastly is the electric cars. Electric cars are powerful, quiet, and efficient. In addition, they have a limited public charging infrastructure, can be pricey, and have a tendency to be heavy. These issues are expected to be resolved in the upcoming years.
examples are Kia EV6, we have the BMW i4 and Hyundai Ioniq 5. So guys, that will be all for now. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.